Yes, Assalamu alaikum. Yes, is I'm audible? Yes, friends, is I'm audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, yes. Okay. See my screen. Okay, my screen is visible to everyone. Yes, friends. Is my screen is visible to everyone? Just tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen to me carefully and see my screens. Okay, then so that you can do the questions. Okay. Bismillah. Okay, we are discussing about square and square root. Okay, you all know that. Okay, see how we'll do squares. For example, if we are giving you square of 7, how will you write? You will write 7 into 7 two times. 7 power 2 is equals to 49. Okay, this is the proper steps. Okay, if you want to find out square root of, you can say that uh, square root of 324. Okay, 324. So how will you write? Okay, you will write like this. First you draw this 324 with under root sign. Then you will do the factorization method. You will get 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, like this. Is it clear now till here? Yes, friends, is it clear now till here? Uh, yes, friend, please you can talk now, everyone. Is it clear? Yes, is I'm audible to everyone? Yes, Ayman Jamal, Ayan Zubair.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See this thing, what students doing something yesterday also, that here don't put under root sign. Here you put under root sign. Under root 324 can be written as 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 3 with under root sign. And for removing under root sign, you just make a pair of this and make 1 2 out of it. Okay, make a pair of this and make 1 3 out. Make a pair of this and write 3 one thing one time. Now this is important, need not to put under root sign here. Okay, then what will be the answer? It will comes out 18. 3 to the 9 and 9 to the 18. Is it clear now? Yes, is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how to do cube and cube root? Cube. Cube root is not in your course. Okay. Uh, cube root, yes, cube root is given. Okay, cube root is given. Cube, what is cube? Multiply the given number
इसको लगाना होगा।
Sir, is my voice audible?
Yes, beta. Multiply the given number 3 times.
हाँ.
Listen. For example, if you want to find out the cube root, then you have to multiply the given number 3 times. For example, cube of 3 you want to find out. So you will write 3 to the power 3, or you write 3 into 3 into 3. It will be 3 is a 9, and it will be 9, or 9 is a 27. So it is right like this. It is your answer. Okay. Another example, you can say that you have to find out the cube of 4. Just write cube means 3 and square means 2. Means the number containing power 3 in cube and the number containing power 2 in squares. So we write 4 into 4 into 4. 3 times it is a 16, and 16 into 4 is 64. Yes, this thing is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Answer the cube of 5 will be
Yes, sir.
125.
Yes, very good. Cube of 5, I'm telling you also. Cube of 5. Cube of 5 is equals to, right like this.
125.
It will be 5 is 25. 25 into 5 will be 125.
125.
Yes, sir. 125.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now how to find cube root? Listen. Okay,
Sir, it was just cube.
wait, beta. Square root means you are writing like this is the symbol, and for cube root, the symbol remains same, but here it is necessary must to write 3. Okay, for cube root. Is it clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes,
we are
sir.
finding how we find the cube root. Means find cube root of 3. Oh, sorry.
Sir, 3 into 3.
No, listen to me. I have to rub this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. We have to find out the cube root of 27. Okay.
3 and 9.
Beta, no.
3 times 3.
Beta, listen. This is cube root. Don't get confused. Okay. Don't get confused with this. Otherwise, you will reduce marks in the exam. This is cube root. This is not cube. This is cube root.
Okay, sir.
So what you do? Just do factorization.
Sir, okay, sir. Okay, sir. 3 9 is 27. 3 3 is 9 and 3 1 is 3.
The important thing which is
And we will
so listen.
multiply it 3
Listen.
times.
Listen.
3.
You
Yes,
write
sir.
as we are writing in square. We write 3 here. In square, there is no need to write 2. It is understood that 2 is there. Okay. But after 3, you have to after 2 you have to write. So you write here. Factorization. Okay. Remember.
Okay, sir. I understood.
Okay. Remember
Yes,
this.
sir, I know this method.
Okay. Okay. Remember this
Sir,
thing.
me too.
In cube,
Before
you have to
I
make a pair of 3. In square.
Yes, sir.
In,
Sir, we will make prime numbers, we will write.
in square root, make a pair
Sir,
of
can
2.
you tell one more example?
Yes, I'm giving you. Okay, so 3, we make a pair of 3 and take 1. Okay, so the cube root of
Sir,
20.
please tell me the difference between square root and cube root.
I am telling you. I already written here also. You can see it. In cube, you have to make a pair of 3 and just pick one number.
Yes, sir. And in
square
square root,
root,
we have to
make a
make
pair
a
of
pair of 2.
And
Yes,
pick
sir.
one number. Okay.
Yes,
it
sir.
clear?
Pick one number.
Can you explain once more?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Can
I am
you
giving you
explain one more
another
example?
example of cube root of 343. Okay, just factorize it. Uh, 7 for the 28. It will be 49. Okay. It will be 7 and 7. Okay, so you will write solution like this.
That means in cube root, all the fraction number will be of same.
Yes.
Like
7
7
is
is
49, 7 is 7. So 3. Sir, why you have written 3 there
Where
in
beta?
square?
In square?
You have erased. You have
Okay.
erased.
Okay. We are finding, beta, don't get confused in the test also. It is cube root. Underline, you will, if you confuse, just underline
Yes,
it,
sir,
okay, on
cube
your
root.
pages. Cube, so we'll write here 3, 4, 3. Then next step will be like this. 7
Okay,
into
sir.
7 into 7. You can make this also in the test and copy. You make up, you underline it, you make, you.
Sir, you will give solving questions. And
Okay,
you will
beta,
do.
wait. So you make a pair of 3 and pick one number. Okay. Always make a pair. Okay. If there are another number also. Okay. So make a pair of this. So this will be your answer. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Sir, if 7 into 7 into 7 into 3 by chance, then what we will do?
Okay. What you are saying? You are saying 7 into 7 into 7 into 3.
Yes, sir, I know this is wrong, but I am saying for example,
No.
it will
Okay.
be.
You are what you want, cube root or square root?
Sir, cube root.
Okay. Then it will be like this.
Sir, I'm not getting that. Why you've written 3? Because it's 7 times 3 has come.
No, I'm asking example like this.
I'm
No,
giving you.
I'm saying to sir.
Beta, listen to me. He is saying that if such type of examples come, that one of the number left, okay, it will not comes in pair. So leave that number as it is in square or cube form. Okay, with the under root
Okay,
sign.
sir.
With the under root sign. Okay.
Sir, I'm
Okay,
saying
sir.
about this
Which
3
beta?
and 43 you have done. That's I'm saying. Why you've written 3? Because 7 has come 3 times.
I
Okay.
was
The
asking.
question is beta, you have to find the cube root of 343. Okay, so just I factorize it, and we make a pair of 3 and we pick one number, the same number. Okay, then it will be a cube root. If here we write 2. Okay, if we change it, then what happens? See, I will okay. If suppose that with the same number, suppose that there is 27, 25 into 250. Okay. If suppose that with square root, you have to square root of 50. Okay. What you have to do? How you will find out? We are doing square root. So how we have to make pair of 2 or 3? Yes, beta. We are
Square
doing.
root 2.
Yes, 2. Beta, close your camera, Mantasha. Okay, so first we factorize it. Okay, 25, 5 and 5 and the 5. Is it clear? So you can write solution like this. Okay, 50. It will be written as 2 into 5 into 5. Okay, you make a pair here, but see here, but 2 is left. Okay, so pick out 5 outside, and what is left, you write it with the sign.
That 2 is left.
So you have to, the pair which comes out, do not put under root over it.
We'll
Sir,
write
sir,
out
sir,
of that.
Sir, this is cube root.
But I'm see the screen, square root, I'm writing square root of 50. Okay. Basically, this is in higher classes. It is not in your class. This type. Now, how to write? How to find out the fractions? Okay. Just see it carefully. If a question is like this, you have to find the
रखिए वहीं पे कर दूँ।
okay, how to find the cube root of fraction? Cube root of fraction. Okay, how you will find out? Suppose a fraction is given to you, that is
मैं रख दूँगा।
beta, listen, 343 over 1331. So you have to find the square root. Beta, remember to put the sign over the whole. Some students are writing like this. They are making under root sign over the numerator only, not like this. So please do. This is also covered in the under root sign. This should be. Beta, turn off your camera. Beta, this should always cover. Rimsha Kausar, don't do that. Okay. It is clear. What if under root fraction is given and you have to find cube root or square root? Just remember to put the 3 here for cube root, and here make a full under root sign, so that numerator and denominator both get covered. So how will you
Okay,
solve
sir.
it? 343 I find out on the previous slide like this. We
Yes, sir.
okay, we separately find the cube root.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And for 131 it is 11 into 11 into 11. So I am
Yes, sir.
writing with steps. Okay. Okay. Then one I make, because we are finding the cube root, so we just make a pair of 3 and take 1 7 out, and we make a pair and of 3, okay, and take 1 out. So it will be your answer. Is it clear, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir,
Sir, we
because
will pick the common. Sir, we will pick the common.
Beta, you have to not pick the common, you just make a
to pick
pair.
out
Beta,
one.
don't get confused with common. I
So
am
what?
just
Sir, we have to just pick out one.
but just
pair.
beta, listen to me carefully. I'm telling you once again.
Please explain
Don't
one
don't
more
get confused to pick the common. I am saying again, don't get confused to pick the common. What you have to do in cube root, just remember what you are doing. You are doing cube root or square root. If square root you are doing, just make a pair of 2 and pick one number. I am saying again, make a pair of 2 and just pick one number. Okay, suppose that I am writing here q for square root. Square, I'm talking about square root. Okay, we are writing 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. Okay, we are writing. So what we are doing, I'm telling you, don't get confused with common. Just we are taking a pair of this. We take 1 3 outside. Okay, we taking a pair of this and take 1 2 outside. So it will be your 6. The square root of
Yes,
this
sir.
number is 6. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's very good, mashallah. Please.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So if
Now,
the number, if there is two numbers same, we will multiply only one number.
yes, for square
Yes,
root, beta,
sir.
but try to
Sir, we
remember.
are making pair, so we'll write one only.
Yes, try to
Which
remember
will
this
take
thing.
out
Don't
one.
get confused. Just focus what you are doing. Don't get confused. For that, some question is given for finding the cube root, and you are finding the square root. Means you are making a pair of 2. So concentrate on the question. What is given? Cube.
And
root
sir,
is-
if 2 was also there in 11 into 11 into 11, then what we have to
11.
do? We will write 7 upon 22.
Beta, just tell me. 11 into 11 into.
Sir, 11 into 11 into 11 and 2. 2 is also there, then
Okay.
we will do what?
Just okay. First of all, tell me what you are doing. You are finding square root or cube root.
Cube root.
Sir, We will write as it is.
Two numbers are given. 343 is the prime factorization is this, and 1331 is this. Then what we will do?
Before telling anything, you should be specify what you are doing to supposed to do. You are finding the square root or you are finding the cube root. If finding the square root, then it will be pair of 2. If finding the cube root, then it will be a pair of 3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Beta, one
Sir,
thing
what?
for cube root make a pair of 3, for square root make a pair of 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this thing is very important. This question, type of question. Suppose that this is given to you, that decimal part is given to you, and you have to find out the square root. How you will do it? Okay. Just see 8.4 exercise, page number 153. Okay. One question is 12 point. Okay, I'm telling from the first question. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 9. Question is 0.0009. Question number 3. First part, page number 153. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have to find out. You have to find out the square root.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now what to do? As we are doing in fraction and decimals, we have to remove this decimal point. Please listen to me carefully. Okay, we have to remove this decimal point. Okay, we have to remove this decimal point. What we do? We have to
We have to remove
mul-
this
yes.
decimal point.
So we have to multiply it. Okay. How many times? 1, 2,
Into
3,
1000
4.
times.
Wait,
Sir, 1000.
4 zeros.
There's
Okay.
1,000 times.
Okay.
So then
10,000
it will be
times.
equal to
Beta,
10,000 times.
10,000. Okay. So as we are multiplying it
Because there are 4 zeros.
yes, that's why, very good. Okay, as we are multiplying it with 4 zeros in the numerator, so in order to make the number same, means like, so we have to multiply with the same in the denominator also.
yes, sir,
This
10,000 times.
yes, with the same. Please listen to me
So that is
carefully.
this,
Beta, listen to me first, then you will ask. Okay, is it clear now? Remember, do not get confused with it. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Always, for if you are anything, if you are multiplying or dividing, you have to multiply and divide with the same number in order to transfer or remove or replace the decimal point. So when you multiply it, you will get it as 9 in the numerator, and the denominator is 4 zeros. Okay. As we are finding the square root, so we put square root here. Is it clear? Beta, clear?
Sir, please explain with one more example.
Let me complete. This is not completed. Okay. Final answer is still left. So it will, you have to write this as I'm writing here, so that it will be clear. Okay. Next step is that we have to write 9 as this, in this way, and denominator we will write as we have to do fractions and solve it. So you 4 zeros are there, it will be 100. Okay, then you know that you are making a pair of 2 as we are doing square. But Rimsha Kausar, what are you doing? Okay, as we are making a pair of 2, so make a pair and pick 1 3 out. Rimsha Kausar. And here 10 comes out. Okay. Because 100 can be written as 10 into 10.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this is the answer. Now you can this is also answer, and this you can express in decimal. When 3 divided by it will become 0.3.
Yes, sir. 0.3.
Is it clear now, beta? Everything.
Sir, answer will come in
Yes,
decimal
sir.
only.
Beta, you can leave this. No, not necessarily. You will leave the answer in fraction, or you can leave the answer in decimal, depending upon you, or depending upon the question. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
please take one more example of this.
Of the same type. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose
Sir,
that
give
decimal
question.
beta,
Sir, give
wait,
question for
I will
solving.
I'm giving you, just understand it right now. Okay. 600
Yes,
sorry
sir. Because it's so
600
important.
6.25 is given to you. Okay. Right, remember to write is we are finding the square root. Don't get confused with that we are finding the cube root. Thus, beta, listen everything. The cube root and square root, the methods are same. The only difference is that making pairs. Okay. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So,
Yes, sir.
okay. Solution. 6.25 is there. Okay. We have to find out, this is your question, how you will do. First you will do 6.25. How many times you have to remove the decimal place? So 2 zeros are there in the numerator. As I told just now,
Sir, 100.
in the denominator also you have the same thing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And put it, and now this will become your
Under root.
625 upon 100. Is it clear? Now put it
Yes,
in
sir.
bracket, put it under root sign. Then you will see that 625 is a square root of 25
Yes, sir.
and 100 is a root of square root of 10.
Yes,
So
sir. 10.
your answer will be
5,
right,
25.
25 upon 10. Okay. This
Yes,
is
sir.
also answer, but when you simplify it, you will find out it will be
2.5.
2.5. Okay. Is it clear
Yes,
now?
sir. 2.5. In decimal.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
One thing more, that is question number 7. There are two square roots, one under another. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The method remains same. Okay. Just write. I'm giving you one more. 9. What happened? 9 minus under root 25. Okay. So you solve one part, this one first, and then the another one. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Please try to do question number 5 of 8.4 exercise, first part.
Okay, sir. Sir, which question?
Question number
Repeat.
5, beta. Question number 5, first part. Send me.
Okay, sir.
Sir, evaluate one. Question number
Sir,
5.
but I can't
Evaluate.
send on your personal number.
Why, beta?
WhatsApp. Sir, actually, I am using another mobile. In that
Okay. You later you will send
WhatsApp
me.
is
Okay.
not
Later.
there, and same.
Take the number from the school
Later.
group.
Later you will send me.
Sir, I will send you after the class
Okay.
from my mother's mobile.
Okay.
Sir, I am doing question number 5, first part.
Okay.
Is the book. Question number 5.
One hundred 21 will under root sign plus
Sir,
49. Okay. This questions come around 2 or 3 marks. So be careful. I am saying that everyone, if you are skipping the steps, then I will skip the marks. You make a rough here and simplify or factorize here. Okay, I am doing here. The steps I am telling to you. It will be 11 into 11 with under root sign plus it will be 7 into 7. Just factorize here. Okay, is it clear?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Everyone should factorize in rough so that it will be on the copy, the solution. And here the solution
Yes,
is
sir.
steps. 196 is be 14, I think. 196 of 14. Okay, minus it will be 9 into 9. Okay, now what is the next step just after this?
Sir, which part you are doing?
Beta first part.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so see, this is your first beta, this is your first step. Okay, second step here, I am telling you, you make a pair, 11 comes out, plus sign as remains the same, make a pair, 7 comes, denominator it will be 14, minus sign remains the same, it will be 9 then.
30, yes, sir.
11,
9.
11 plus 7 is 18,
Yes, sir.
14 minus 9 is,
5. 5.
okay, so this is your answer.
Answer in improper fraction.
Okay, you can turn it into improper also. This is upon you. Okay, you leave it or is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please do question number second part of the same question.
Okay, sir. Question 5.
Second part.
Sir, doing trying.
Sir, in that also we have to do the same method, just we have to divide it.
Yes, beta. Okay. Whatever the operation means in mathematics, operation means what is the function is given, means plus is given, minus is given, multiply or
Sir,
division.
we have
Okay.
to observe that only.
First, make the number out of the under root sign as making pairs. Factorize it. Okay.
Minus 379.
Yes, beta. Anyone send? Yes, who is this? Message has. Beta, 196. Beta, 1 square. See, 11 into 11 is 121. That's why I'm writing here. Sharish Anwaz. Is it clear, Sharish?
Okay, sir.
And
So, sir, for
49
256.
and 49. Beta, you factorize it, na? Then you will make a pair. Then it will automatically come this 7 into 7.
Okay.
Okay, Sharish?
Okay, sir. Okay.
512.
Yes, beta, tell me the answer. If anyone find it, solve it.
So please tell which part I'm again being disconnected.
Beta, I'm please solve fifth question, second part on
Sir,
page 1,
exercise 8.5.
8.4.
Okay, sir. I was thinking that 8.5. I was doing that.
You will do it in the assignment. Okay.
Question number 5. Second part.
Yes, beta.
Okay, sir.
Everyone
So I was not
remember,
getting it.
beta. Everyone read the question carefully. Don't get confused with the square root and cube root.
It's square root 256. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 is 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 2
If
is
anyone
6,
send, everyone send me proper steps. Okay, I am telling you, I will not consider if either the solution is correct also.
So I'm doing prime factorization
Okay,
of 256.
okay, do it.
Then 81.
Yes, anyone solve it?
No, sir.
Do it first. Yes, Yusuf Mansoor is there. No, Yusuf is not there. Okay, beta, Yusuf, this is maybe due to some network problem. That's why your is not working.
I can tell.
You will send me. Okay, I
I
am
have
giving you.
taken note
Okay,
to
okay. Yes, beta. Okay, please connect for 5 minutes for the next as the meeting. If the meeting get over, okay,
Okay,
please
sir.
connect for few minutes. Okay.
Sir, I have taken out prime factorization of 256 and 81. So now I will make pair.
Yes, beta. Remember how to make
So,
pair of 2 because square root we are finding.
yes, sir. Sir, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.